Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-55, beginning at mile marker 5 in Pemiscot County, Missouri. Exit 8 leads to the city of Steele, just to the west, with an estimated population of 1,889 as of 2019. At the on-ramp ahead, US 61 will begin a 24-mile overlap of I-55. This area is known as the Missouri Boot Heel, which is a geographical feature where Missouri's southern border dips below the 36-degree 30-minute north latitude that makes up the rest of the state's border. You can see this in the map in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The border of the Boot Heel, beginning on the west side, follows the St. Francis River south to the 30th parallel, where it then runs east around 30 miles to the Mississippi River. East of the Mississippi, that same 36-degree 30-minute parallel forms the border between Tennessee and Kentucky. And while we're on the subject of borders, a change in the course of the river resulted in this exclave of Fulton County, Kentucky, that can only be reached from the rest of Kentucky by traveling through Tennessee. Exit 14 leads to the unincorporated community of Braggadocio, 8 miles to the west. The community was possibly named because a large share of the early settlers were braggarts, or after the knight and horse thief Sir Braggadocio in Edmund Spenser's The Faerie Queene. Braggadocio has been noted for its unusual place name. To the east is Caruthersville, named for Samuel Caruthers, who first represented the area in the U.S. Congress. The city was incorporated in 1874. A bridge across the Mississippi River at Caruthersville carrying U.S. Highway 412 and I-155 is the only direct highway connection between Missouri and Tennessee. The only other way to get between the two states is to travel through Arkansas or Kentucky, or to swim across the river. Exit 17 provides access to I-155 and US 412 at a three-leaf clover interchange with control cities of Dyersburg and Kennett. Dyersburg is across the Mississippi River in Tennessee, 24 miles away at the eastern terminus of I-155. Kennett is to the west on US 412. We're now in the city of Hayti, and yes, after exhaustive research on the pronunciation of this city, it is pronounced Hayti. The exhaustive research involved watching YouTube videos with Hayti as the keyword and waiting to hear the locals pronounce the name. These videos revolve mostly around the Hayti Indians high school football team. Platted in 1894, there are different stories of the origin of the name, one being that the city was named for a Dr. Hayes, an original owner of the town site. Another claims the name was derived from the country of Haiti. Hayti had an estimated population of 2,501 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 27 provides access to the city of Wardell to the west. The city's name is derived from an early citizen, R.L. Warren, and a dell near the original town site. As of 2019, Wardell had an estimated 359 residents. We conclude today's video at mile marker 29. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.